All right, well, we're here today. We're going to demonstrate why our reinforced corners are the strongest in the industry.
I'm going to kick this Fenetex screen and see if I can break it. I'm going to hit the screen with this mallet and see what happens. Shredding the rubber off the mallet. I hit the screen 38 times with this mallet and nothing happened. I'm going to beat the crap out of this screen with a hammer.
All right, we're going to take this corner apart and show you how we build it. It's through bolted here in the back. These parts are internal to the weight bar. They're made out of nylon. They're very strong and flexible. It goes deep into the weight bar. It locks all 3 points together, and this is why it's so hard to break.